Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how far you should be installing your own ceiling fan away from your bed headboard so that you don't get sore throat the next day if the ceiling fan is blowing at you the whole night? So the next day you're bound to get sore throat. Okay, so I've installed it wrongly. So this video will show you how am I going to displace it and the rules that which I have developed, and I've been using this dimension in the past 3 years and it works. So I'm going to share it with you today. Now, when I first installed this ceiling fan, I have no idea how far it should be because there's no bed there for me to do the measurement. So one way I found that the best is to find out how far the tip of your blade should be placed away from the wall. So this is 24 centimeter, which I've actually made a measurement earlier. And all I need is this tool, which I've assembled by using a L ruler and a laser pointer and some masking tape. Tape around so that it's directly normal tangential to the surface. And this is the beam which I made using 2 aluminium U channel. I hope you've subscribed to my channel by now. I'll bring you closer how this look like. This is how it's being assembled. And if you wish to install a ceiling fan on a partition board on the ceiling, this is the way that I would recommend. So I've marked the position, and this position is based on the tip of your fan blade. Should be made at least 1 meter, but for my case, I recommend 106 centimeter, which is 42 inches. Now this is the idea of 42 inches. This is the position of the tip of the fan blade because it very much depends on the diameter of your ceiling fan. So I hope this video helps you. Remember to subscribe to my channel and appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you.